Hi everybody, welcome back. Day 2, round 2, reassembly phase of this 2012 Bird Expedition. We had noisy wheel bearings, leaking power steering gear, something else. Oh yeah, some noisy tires, but we just moved those out to the back so they would be less noisy to the driver. So, I have some, what do we got here? Some genuine Motorcraft hub bearing assemblies. We're gonna get these guys installed. Hopefully before I get these finished, I will have a new replacement steering gear arrive, and then we can get this thing put back together, have the wheel alignment done, buttoned up, good to go, and we'll get it out of here. That's the plan, so let's get started. All right, we're ready to roll. We have a new replacement Motorcraft hub. Feels better than the original. That's our area for the wheel speed sensor, so that goes up top, so this guy goes together like so. Yeah, let's move around to the back side here and we'll get our bolts installed. Oh, fun fact Ford thing about these hubs right here. This being a four-wheel drive needs to have locking hubs in the front to engage the four-wheel drive. And these hubs are vacuum operated. There's a vacuum pump. Well, the diesels have a vacuum pump. I don't know if the gassers do, but there's either a reservoir to hold vacuum from the engine, or there's a vacuum pump with a reservoir to supply it. And of course, there's the switches and valves to actuate it. But when actuated and vacuum is applied to this hose, it'll actually put this hub into a locked position. So you don't have to get out of your car, come out, take your hubcaps off, reach over and turn the little lock, and then you can get back in, and now you have four-wheel drive. You can do it all from inside of the cab. We take these things for granted now in 2022, but back then when this that concept was first thought of, it was very fancy technology. Nice. Ah, I got my finger. Really getting into my work. Click. Woo, I'm stuck. All right, wheel speed sensor, you're up. You go back into your home, and then we will toss the rotor on. Then the caliper again. Put that right there. Whoa, 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 what? Don't scare me like that, buddy. Don't scare me. Over here crying wolf and stuff. Get on there. Mini click. Now is as good a time as any to put this axle nut on. Notice inside of there, there's a little miniature bearing. Very cute little guy. Click. Cat click. Okie dokes, the brake rotor is going on next, but it does have a little bit of surface rust on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a wire wheel, clean that off. Both sides. Okay, here we go. Nice. Nice and shiny. We like it. It's good. No more rust. All right, rotor, go to your home. Heavy. Uh-oh, pad fell out. Oh no. Let's just put you right back where you go. You stay. Come on, get in there. Good. What is going on? Fail. Brake install fail. What are you doing, Ray? It's my first day. That's what it is. wiggle it in there. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Big bolt numero uno. This stuff's heavy. Number 2. You can't see, but I can tell you where it is. Oh, my first one wasn't threaded. Fail. I thought it was. It got me. Try again. Yeah, I got it now. Haha! Where's that other one? There it is. The clicks tell all.
Is this one right? Do we have one?
Nope, it's all wrong. So I hate to leave behind evidence, and this car will be no exception. Therefore, no DNA left behind, or fingerprints. Nice, shiny. Uh-oh. No! All right, that's one bearing down, one to go. Gotta do the driver's side one over here. So I'm just gonna speed this up real quick, and we will get this one done with super high speed, lightning fast motion. I mean super fast this time. You won't even see it happen. And look at that. Poof, no problem at all. Done, reassembled. However, we are not done. We're still waiting in limbo for this replacement steering gear to show up. When that thing arrives, we'll get back at it. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back, 1 nanosecond. Okay, pointy end first. Got the new rack here. It was actually here the whole time. I just didn't know about it. Communication. I need to crawl down under. Don't go anywhere. There we go. Good. Okay, let's go back down, hop on the chair, and we'll get those big bolts installed. See, mechanic chairs does not mean you're lazy. It means you're working smart. And what's up with that stigma anyway? Mechanics are not lazy people. Truth be told, we're restless people. We can't sit still for 13 seconds, let alone sit around and not do anything. See? You just, I don't know. I don't understand how that reputation came about. Look, a bee. Okay, so here's the steering gear hanging down ever so slightly. This needs to line up with this, because this is where our big bolts go in. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna reapply some thread lock to this bolt right here. It's a very big bolt, so I'm just gonna drown it a little bit. Couldn't hurt. Get that guy in where it goes. I'll pick the rack up, and then we'll get the threads started. Oh, that thing's heavy. All right, the bolt's got the weight. Okay, again, more blue thread locker. Why didn't you use red? Because it came with blue. Loud, because it came with blue. That's why. And I had lots of blue and not very much red. That's also why. All right, that one's in. Where's my assault ratchet? There it is. Oh, loud noises, I'm sorry, I forgot. I just can't do it. I don't have the power. Level 2, larger anvil. It's tight now. Curious. Dang. 128 degrees. And the bolt's warm too. You guys see that? It's wild. Okay, one more. Now, off camera, I've taken the liberty of installing the grease fitting. These are Moog outer tie rods, and for some reason they do not come with those installed. Believe it or not, people actually leave those off and they'll just ship it with whatever grease is in there, which is fine regarding the grease level, but it's not fine because of moisture. Water will get in there and then ruin the ball joint, thus negating your efforts. So just don't be that guy. I think right about there is probably good. Really tight balls. $85 foot-pounds. Oh, one more notch. Ruh-roh. My gun is set to automatic mode. We don't want that. More steam, full power. And loud noises. There we go, 85 pounds, we're good. I know, so bad. So evil. That's nice. Very good. Looks like NASA did that. All right, one down, one to go on the passenger side. Get out of here. I'm in the middle of the rather annoying process of recovering this jam nut. Because the new tie rods do not come with a jam nut, and we did not order a replacement jam nut, therefore I must reuse this jam nut. It actually takes longer to get that jam nut off than what a tie rod job would pay. These are like 2/10, I think, 12 minutes worth of labor time. Some of them are 1/10, which is 6 minutes. And I've already spent about 8 minutes so far getting this thing off. That came out wrong. We're gonna roll with it though. Oh, almost finished. Couple more strokes. Man, my arm's getting tired. Need to switch hands. Wait, backtracking. Need jam nuts, and this one's being stupid stubborn, so we escalate. Oh, defeated! Wrong socket. I suck at life. Give me that. Back on schedule. That was fast. Yes, this is also a Moog tie rod. We didn't buy one Moog and one DriveWorks or something. Another failure pet peeve. You buy like 7 or 8 front end parts, all steering stuff, and it's all Moog or name brand, everything matches, and then you get that one oddball thing because someone didn't have the complete set in stock. Don't do that to your customer. It's not worth it. Don't do it to yourself. Better than that. And if you're not, you will be. Again, we're looking for 85 foot-pounds, I think. Let's see, that's it's about 72. At 85. Right on the money. Okay, now we must venture back up into her nether regions. I've got to get the steering shaft installed You can see that right there, and then I need to throw some new O-rings on these lines and then bolt these lines on. All right, so the only real challenge here is getting a hold of that steering collar and getting it slipped in position. You can't get the orientation wrong because there are notches taken out of the collar and recesses in the shaft coming out of the steering gear. But what you can get wrong is the orientation. Come here. That's how she goes, right there. Got our bolt. Always remember the bolt. If you don't, this shaft will come off later on, and then there will be no vehicle steering, and then people will wreck. And it'll be your fault because you left the bolt out. And you don't want that, do you? Nobody wants that. That's why when the boss is rushing you, you remind them, people's lives are in your hands. Come on, little bolt. And incoming clickage. Click. Okay, next up I need to throw new O-rings on these lines real quick and bolt that guy in. Come here, you. Oh, I can't reach. I should have taken those out earlier. What was I thinking? I know what I was thinking. I was thinking I don't want dirt getting inside of the hydraulic system. That's what I was thinking. Again, no good deed goes unpunished. I got one. That black one right there is being a little stubborn. Come here, a little plug. Yeah, I got it. I got it. All right, new O-rings are on these lines. Let's get them set up on their little plate. We'll plug them in, Yeah, that's good. They didn't snap in yet. I didn't feel them do their click. That one kind of did. That one went in. Yeah, we've got it now. All right, one more bolt, we're done. Actually, let me rephrase. One more bolt and we're done for now. I still have to do a wheel alignment on this. However, I won't be able to do that alignment just yet. And I'm approaching the end of day, so this is getting parked one more night over here. That being said, I'm gonna have to close this video out because I'm not gonna be able to sit here all night until this car is finished. So as always, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you know the drill. Let me know about that by happy tapping that like button down below. If you didn't enjoy it, well, I'm not really anything because I don't care. So again, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget, have yourself a great day. See you guys later. And this is for all you power steering fluid people. See that? I got this just for you. Now I'm gonna spill half of it trying to pour it. Oh, I only spilled 1 milliliter. Good. It's like drinking beer out of the boot. Overflowage.